If you made a list of everyone that's lied to you, you'd be number one on that list. It's not about pointing fingers. It's about recognizing that the most powerful force in your life is staring back at you in the mirror. It's the force that shapes your thoughts, your actions, and ultimately your destiny. In a world clamoring for your attention, urging for you to conform, it's easy to forget the incredible influence we have on our own narrative. We are capable of growth, resilience, and we have endless potential. Remember, your mind is the epicenter of your strength. It's the forge where doubts are transmuted into determination, where whispers of fear are drowned out by the resounding roar of your capabilities. The thoughts we nurture, the stories we tell ourselves, shapes the reality we inhabit. So what narrative are you cultivating within the womb of your mind?